Welcome to the video. Today we're going to show you how to fix your tyre for less than $2. It's going to save hundreds of dollars in the future with this quick and easy method that the tyre repair places actually use. So what we're going to need today is tyre repair kit. Went to Supercheap Auto to get this tyre repair kit. Costs $20 and you can repair 10 tyres with it. That's $2 a tyre. You're going to need a pair of pliers, screwdriver to get rid of the nail or screw or whatever you got, and a pair of safety glasses for when you're taking them out, because it can be dangerous. Bubbly water to check the leak, figure out where it is, and a pump if you've got one. If not, you can go to the servo. And you also need a flat tyre. So the first things first, take your tyre off. When you're taking off a tyre, you should always put the extra spare or whatever you've got underneath the car, just to be safe. You know, it's always good to have a little bit of extra support. What you do, grab your soapy water and go around the tyre. And you're checking for any extra bubbles. No. Well, we're lucky because we can see where it is. And we found our puncture right here. See those little bubbles? It's telling me that nail in there is causing our tyre to go flat. So first things first, safety glasses. Because that thing, if it's got any pressure in it, might come out and stab you in the eye. You've only got 2 of them, so, you know, might need them. All right, get your screwdriver, pry out your nail. So we've got that out a little bit, grab your pliers. Just probably some different pliers. And pull him out. Oh, there you go. Listen to that. And you just want to make sure there's a hole there. There's definitely. Oh, I've lost him. Yeah. And this is the culprit. Look at that. That'll do it. How did that even get in there? Don't know. Don't work in industrial area. All right, wait for the. No, while it's doing its thing, I'm going to take our tyre repair kit. As I said before, bought it from Supercheap Auto, the auto parts centre. Pull out your kit. We do have the instructions on the back, which are pretty straightforward to follow. Grab your tyre repair strips. With this kit, you'll get 2 of these things. One's the reamer, and one's the actual repair plugger. First, we take the reamer. We've got to make the hole nice and clean, nice and uniform, so the plug will actually fit in there. So you want to push it in there, twist the twisty, in and out, in and out. There we're just sort of, it's sort of like a file. We're just making the hole nice and uniform, so it's got something to adhere to. It will make your hole bigger, but don't worry. And once you've done it a few times, your hole should be fine to start plugging. Grab your plugger and your vulcanized. That's a plugger. Your vulcanized strips. They're a bit sticky. And what they do, they fuse to the rubber. That's why they're vulcanized. A little bit hard to get off. Once you get them off, grab your plugger, put your plug through. Sometimes you need to open up the clamp just a touch so your plug actually goes through. Now pull it till it's about halfway. Cool. Now what you're going to do, into the hole, and you're going to try and push it in 2/3 of the way. Go. Yeah. All right. We've got it in that with a little bit sticking out the top. All right. You don't want to twist it. You don't want to do anything. You just want to go straight out. Nice hard pull. And you'll see that sticking out the top. And that's exactly how we want it to look. We're going to trim the edges. We don't really need them. That's going to look something like that. We can get a knife and clean that up later. But now we wait 20 minutes, half an hour for the rubber to do its thing and the strips to adhere to the rubber. And yeah, come back and we'll pump it up. All right, it's been half an hour. Now it's time to check the tyre and see if it's actually, what do you call it? Fixed. There you got your soapy water again. Zoom in. Look at that. Look at that. No bubbles. Like magic. Ugly. It's ugly, and we can trim that a little bit more if you want. But yeah, when you drive on it, it'll wear away anyway. Let's check it. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. Pump it up completely and put it back on your car. All right. I'm going to check it one more time for good measure. Look at that. Look at that. There are no bubbles at all. Cool. Time to put it on the car. Oh, that's the dog. Yes, I can see you. You want to help too? Hey? No, you can't come and change the tyre. You can go check it at the state petrol station later. Because these things aren't 100% accurate, but it'll definitely get you out of a pickle. There we go. While we're here, it's a good reminder to always check your spare tyre too, just in case, before we put him back in. Oh, he sounds like he's got plenty. He's good. He's at 32. $31. All right, look at that. Hey, beautiful. And we just saved ourselves $50 compared to going to the tyre repair place. And it still would have taken half an hour. Yeah, that's right. You could have gone and had a coffee and everything in this time.